Come and explore a Seesaw writing lesson. Our focus lesson is sentences. Each sentence lesson begins with an instructional video where Dr. Wiley Blevins introduces students to key vocabulary and real-life examples.
Add how to tell more about the action. Let's play a thumbs up and thumbs down game. Listen carefully to the sentence I say. Ask yourself, does it tell who, did what, and how? Ready? The baby cries. The baby cries. Thumbs down. It tells who, the baby, and did what, cries. But it doesn't tell how the baby cries. So what if I said the baby cries loudly? The baby cries loudly. Thumbs up. Now we know who, the baby, did what, cries, and how, loudly. Can you pretend to cry loudly? Great acting.
Teachers can leverage our built-in discussion questions to help students reflect on new concepts and connect them to their lives. Parts of a sentence lessons empower your students to identify and use parts of speech in isolated sentences and in their own writing. Built-in formative assessment scaffolds students' understanding and provides you with powerful insights to support their learning. Sentence lessons include Dr. Wiley Blevins' frames to help students write, correct, expand, rearrange, and combine sentences. Common issue lessons supercharge students to identify and fix common issues like fragments and run-ons. Finally, capitalization and punctuation lessons guide students through identifying and fixing these common errors in examples and their own writing. Interested in exploring other types of Seesaw writing lessons? Check out our next videos to continue learning.